is yelling at the players from the stadium. But don't film me. Go.
Why can't you
wanna
yell
be
at the
next?
players?
You're going to be next.
For what?
Go away.
I'm at the game.
Go. You as well. I can smell alcohol on your breath.
You stay away from
Go.
me. You don't make physical contact with
I
me.
didn't touch you. I asked
You
you to
just
leave.
did.
I asked you to leave.
You've been trespassed. It's time to go.
Yeah, time to go.
For what?
He does not need a reason.
I'm watching the game here. Who are you?
I'm the athletic director, and this is Officer Tatum.
Okay.
And so I'm asking
And
you
you're
to
gonna
leave.
come up
I
and
can also
physically-
smell alcohol on your
You've been
breath.
asked to leave.
Not
it's
me.
time to go.
On his breath, I can also smell. You need to go. Go.
West Greenway.
Sarah, I didn't do anything.
I can ask you to leave if I want to,
What did I do?
because you're talking back to me and you're filming
You
me
just
without
kicked
my
son
permission.
out. You just
I want
kicked
you to
my
go.
son
You're in
out.
public.
I want you to
You just
go.
kicked my son out, and I was asking why.
I want you to go.
Not you.
No,
I was
yes, I
just
can.
asking-
You've been trespassed.
Yes. Yes.
And it's time to
You want
go.
to bet?
It's not a priority one, but
For
it would
what
be.
reason?
They do not need a
I'm
reason.
watching the
It's
game.
time to go. It is private property. It's time to go. They're refusing. And it's ongoing.
I'm just watching the game.
They're not going to touch you.
I'm just watching the game right now.
I know. The umpire.
I haven't done
is
anything
in charge
wrong.
of the game.
Okay, so when the officers come, then we'll say.
Let's go! Take that! Rewind it back! Woo!
Sarah, this is crazy. I'm gonna go over here. Sarah.
First is a female. She is fine.
Sarah, please. Sarah, this lady's a cop and she's aggressive. She's gonna do something illegal against you. Stop. This Sarah, stay back. Because this aggressive. Sarah, they're assaulting us. So I had the video evidence. I'm gonna peacefully leave.
We're asking you to leave.
And this
You're
guy-
refusing. Is that right? You're refusing to leave even though we're asking you.
I'm shocked that this guy is actually behaving like this. Look at this guy. Sarah. Sarah. Sarah, please. Sarah. This lady's a cop, and she's abusing her power. We'll report her, please. I don't want any of this. These cops are out of control, and you see what they're going to do. And this guy's raging out. We'll just report him. Listen, let's be cool about it. We will.
It doesn't matter, honey.
He's assaulted us. We'll report.
I'm watching my son
And you're
whoop the
drunk. You
team's
got alcohol
ass, the
at a
demon.
baseball game. I can smell it.
She's a cop. She's calling the cops on us. This guy assaulted. He kicked Luke out.
No, it's hey, I kicked you out because you were talking back to me.
The umpire's in charge of the game.
He's filming you if you're not supposed to. And she just.
I didn't say a word. You came up and kicked us out.
I know, the umpire's got the game.
Guys, listen. If we ask you to leave,
You asked me to leave?
not you. We asked him
And you
to leave.
need to touch us.
Okay, when their player, you're did this to my grandson.
Okay, that's
wait, just listen.
But-
When you listen, so when he did this to my grandson, his brother got upset and said something. That's what happened.
Yeah.
He has baseball. Brandon, you should
No,
let go.
I asked
We
him
would
not to
be in
say
this-
stuff to the players, and he talked crap back to me. That's why I told him to leave.
I can make you emotional right now if
You're
I
not
want
making me emotional.
But I could if I wanted to. We want to stir this up with the police.
I just want him to leave, like I asked him to.
He left.
Asked him to leave.
He left, and I asked why you kicked my son out, and you touched me.
You need to go.
Why don't you go? Why don't you go?
I was gonna walk out. This lady now is assaulting Sarah. Put her hands on Sarah. She's a cop. Flash her
let it
badge.
go.
I'm just saying. They're making this big dramatic thing. They're making this big dramatic thing. It's a baseball game.
Losing.
This is completely out of control. Is Shane pitching now? Is that number 20? Is that Shane? No. Is Shane pitching or no?
Yeah, we're not going nowhere.
For the Demons, number 1, Thaddeus.
I think he is.
Yes, he's
number
pitching.
20.
Kids, start it up, kids.
Shane's
Let's go,
pitching.
Greenway.
Shane's coming into pitch right now. I'm gonna go walk over here. I don't want to get arrested for this. It's fine. I know, she won't come with me. I want to watch Shane pitch. We've been assaulted. They're gonna be reported. I'll leave. My son's pitching right now. They're acting crazy. Crazy. They literally have the helicopters. Sarah! Sarah! This is insane. Completely insane. We're at a baseball game. Not drinking. Hey, Luke. Luke. Get out of the car and come with me. That helicopter's for us. Come with me. Lock the door in the car and just follow me. Come on. Lock the door and come with me. They literally have a helicopter at a baseball game. Come on, Luke. Is that Mom's key? I got the key. They've called a helicopter at the baseball game because we're still on property. Let's go watch them over here. Dude, the lady's on the phone and the lights are pointed right at us. The helicopter is for us. I swear on everything. Mom might get arrested right now. I wasn't. Dude, I have it all on film. I was just like, why are you...
Well, the thing is, I saw him show Shane, and I wanted to just yell at him because I don't care, and I don't know baseball games.
I know. Look, the police are here. This is Ghetto Bird for us. Hi.